And this is a installation of 400 feet of Coretec Luxury Vinyl Plank in a rec room. The customer has picked up the old carpet, scraped it down to the concrete floor, and gave us a nice smooth floor to go over. The Coretec is a 20 millimeter piece of material, vinyl, with a cork backing, perfect for installing over a concrete floor, which gives it an insulation factor and warmth, and is totally waterproof. And here we show it approximately halfway done, and now we have the final project completed, all moldings installed. And again, this Coretec with the cork backing, full vinyl, waterproof, perfect for an installation where we have a concrete floor, makes it softer and quieter, and completes the project. Very easy to maintain, a lot easier than an actual wood floor, highly scratch resistant, and will work perfectly in a rec room situation where the customer did not want to put carpet down and wanted a nice wood grain vinyl look. So in the future, click on our playlist below for further videos, and please click on the subscribe button to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.